Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in Nifty index option today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is a 7-minute candlestick chart for Nifty index futures. We expected Nifty index to stay in downtrend, but what actually happened right after the price opening around 10,450, completely the price went up and till 10,545 it closed near the high itself. How we try to put that in the option chain? We thought of going buying 10,350 put option if the price is staying above 60 or 65, but the price opened below that. But we could say it's a straightaway drop and it had triggered the stop. Two ways. One is we didn't had some entry point above 60 or near 60. In other way, we can take it as our stop loss got triggered at 38. So what we can do today it's expected to open somewhere near 10,540 itself. There is no change in our view. Still we are going to maintain our bearish view, just because 10,600 a major resistance zone. So if you go back to the past and see, the price failed around 10,550, 60s and 10,600. That pushed the price towards 9,950s. So since it's a major resistance, we had traveled this long by staying on the downside. So today also we are going to do the same thing, but to be on the safer side, we are going to select a little bit out of money put option, 10,250 put option. You can buy around the price close around 20.65. It may be opening near 20, so the maximum stop is 20, so need not bother about the maximum stop loss. Still, it doesn't mean that you can hold the position for next days. Purely on the day trading point of view we are saying it. Since the price is approaching expiry, time decay will kill. Please don't hold your position. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.